A number of my students prefer to use Google Docs opposed to Microsoft Word, and that's fine. I want to give you a little bit of suggestion as to how to prepare your speech outlines in Google Docs and to get it in the correct form. So you're going to log in to your Google account, and so I'm logged into mine. You'll go over here to your app selector, and you'll drop over here to Drive. When you get to Drive, you'll simply hit New, and it'll give you the option of a new Google Doc. So you're going to start a new Google Doc. You have untitled document here. You're going to want to describe what that is. So maybe that's your persuasive outline, and you might want to name it yourself in terms of your own personal name. Of course, then you're going to give yourself a heading. So I'm Andy Mangum. You put your name. You put the assignment name. And then you're going to want to make sure, with the persuasive speech especially, that you identify the model you're using. So my favorite model is problem, solution, benefit. You can use motivated sequence or problem, cause, solution, or I think even the rhetorical strategy, the classical rhetorical appeal. Then you're going to want to insert a table. It's going to have a 2x2 table. And you'll move this over a little bit. So you're going to add your specific purpose here and your thesis statement, and then you're ready to begin your outline. When you begin the outline, you put your attention getter, and this is going to be in paragraph form. So a quotation or a startling statistic, a fact, profound statement to begin your speech and capture your audience's attention. You're going to orient them to the topic. Give them some basic direction as to where you're going with this. You, of course, repeat your thesis sentence there because that's where it comes in the actual speech. And then you're going to offer your preview. Now you're ready to create the outline of the body. And you know that I require you to use Harvard formatting. Google Doc makes it easy for you. When you drop this little drop-down menu, you get the Google Doc format here. You can put your first main point, and then if you hit return, you'll get your second main point. If you tab, you get a sub-level for your sub point there, and then another sub level there where there's an A, there should be a B. You can go over a little bit more and add tertiary subpoints. And then when you want to go out a level, you simply hit Shift and Tab, and that will return you back with each level. And you can do that. Some of you prefer to write in your transitional statements in kind of out to the side like that. So you can simply back all the way out of the subpoints and add your comments there. But once you've done that, make sure you include the information that you'll need for your source citation, but then you'll come out here and you'll write your review, your sense of closure, and make sure you actually write those things. Don't just write the word review and sense of closure. And then you're going to want your works cited page. You can center that. Maybe make it bold. Okay? So hopefully that helps you to know how to, oh, and then when you get to the point where you want to turn this in, you'll go over here to print, and instead of printing a paper copy, you're going to save as PDF. You save that maybe to your desktop, and then you're able to upload that to eCampus. All right, thanks.